What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin, and today I have the privilege of testing the Audi R8 V10 BiTURBO with a TÜV certificate. Can you believe it? With 1050 horsepower. So they have this kit verified at 850, but if you do some map switching, it will do 1050. So this is the base model, is the ultimate Audi R8, which is the performance model with the performance parts. I mean, later on they called it the Audi R8 V10 Performance, which was essentially the facelift model. But this is really equipped with all kinds of goodies to make it even more capable, like these carbon fiber winglets, super lightweight wheels by Audi Sport, different brake pads for both the steel brakes and the ceramic brakes. These are the ceramic ones. Thank God we have Michelin Cup 2 tires, which will work just perfectly in this weather. It's 30 degrees out, which for a biturbo car with this amount of turbo pressure is just way too hot, but we are going to enjoy it anyways. We've got a Datsun clutch to cope with all that power. This is a project which involved 3 companies: LCE Performance, B Tuning and RS Engineers. Now all 3 of them have been very skilled and experienced in developing biturbo kits, and they just joined forces to make the best possible kit, and also to get it TÜV verified. So this is all street legal, if you can believe it. Just really crazy. So we have this massive swan neck Audi Sport carbon fiber spoiler, and as you can see, I think they've seen the Evolve M4. RS Engineers and B Tuning, all with billet aluminium components, intercooler parts, stuff like that, the turbos, you name it. And of course the Audi R8 BiTURBO is something we came a bit famous for. The Klassen BiTURBO setup, what was it, 3-4 years ago, that was a premiere with 1000 horsepower. Nowadays, I mean, you can do 2000 if you want, and if you have the wallet for it, and if you have the bank account for it. But that's always the rule. Come on. You don't want to be here, Fly. I don't have air conditioning. Believe me. Bye. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're going to turn off ESP completely because it will just interfere. As I said, we don't have AC. That is going to be a challenge. It is 30 degrees out. It is scorching hot both in and outside, and we're driving a V10 BiTURBO. I just want to give you an impression of what it's capable of, which is this. Oh, my God, it's fast. I mean, the gearbox kicks down and then you have this pause in which it feeds the turbos, and then you're just gone. So performance wise, think of a nice gap in between a Bugatti Veyron and a Chiron. Oh, it is just immensely fast. Now let's hope this little caravan will pull me a gap. My God. Just to be clear, guys, it's the 15th of October and it's 30 degrees. My God. Whoa. In my opinion, you can only do this if you have the carbon ceramics. if we can go a bit faster now. There's a little straight up ahead. Hope we can benefit from that. Just so busy. It's Friday afternoon, which is just terrible. Come on, get out of my way, guys. This is the only little straight I have. The shifts are just machine gun fire. Oh, 300 like that. My God. So it apparently has map switching, so I can also go for the 850 horsepower map, which I think you would use on a daily basis. I mean, I just love the fact that so many companies saw the R8 and thought, yeah, we need to get 2 snails on top of that engine. It must have been such an investment to develop it. The V10, the 5.2, is such an over-engineered engine. It's really developed like a race car engine, and that's why it's this super strong. You don't need to do any internal parts, so pistons are stock, rods are stock, which is kind of insane, right? Okay, let's do one more. Nah, it's really just too busy, unfortunately. I would just love to see this thing keep going. But today is just not the day. I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you subscribe to our channel. Check out this review and this review's playlist. See you at the next BiTURBO V10, guys. Bye.